All right, folks, we got Jango Fett's Starship, the 75433. And we're just going to walk through it real quick, show you what's in it. I'll start with, you got young Boba Fett, Jango Fett, and the Kaminoan Lima suit. Just looking at the back of the box, a couple of little features. Pretty cool. And then this is kind of the cooler part because it actually has a stand. Most Legos don't come with stands, and that's pretty epic. So just going through it real quick, I'm gonna say 707 pieces. Comes with one little sticker. I guess less really than most, I would think, for this size. Detailed instructions as always. Looking through it, I realized that this is probably a little more advanced than your average Star Wars Lego, but still not that super advanced. It says 9+. That's probably accurate. Nothing crazy here. Standard pieces. You got the little Boba Fett there. I guess the only Boba Fett. And Jango in this one. Again, nothing crazy. No. People look at these to try to find special pieces. And as I'm looking through it, I don't see anything that's just standing out as this is only for this package. This long bar is not seen a lot. And then this package has the Kaminoan, or pieces of it. Okay. Final piece. It's got that one cockpit cover, which is not seen a lot out there. So it looks like a really good kit. I'm looking forward to putting it together.